Hello guys, so today in this video we will talk about our module that is advanced credit check rules, right? So credit limit is in depends of this module, right? And the rest of the functionality is on the basis of the credit limit module. So if you want to see this credit limit modules functionality, then you can easily click on eye icon on the upper side and see functionality. Alright, now you can see that by using this application, users will be able to configure different kinds of dynamic check rules for their individual different kinds of customers. Just for one example, like credit hold, credit for check for balances 30 days or greater than past due. If no past due is there, then no approvals will be needed. But if there is a past due, then for each and every sales orders, approval will be get needed. So in that case, sales order will be proceeded for CC hold stage, and a sales manager's approval will be get needed. The same check rules you can also make configure for 60 days, 90 days durations, right? You can also configure some kinds of dynamic conditions also. Suppose if any amount is 60 days or more than approval needed, and if 25% of total credit limit is in 30 days or greater than approval required, then credit limit enforced, right? Or you can also set unlimited account access, like if any kind of situation or conditions will be there for those particular customers, but you have to given this access for unlimited account for some of your special or VIP customers, like that. Okay, so this is the main functionality of this module, and you can also see the key features that these rules are completely dynamic. You can create them according to your requirements and your needs, and apply these check rules, advanced credit check rules on different customers separately, right? You can also see that our model is compatible with Odoo Community Edition, with Odoo Enterprise Edition, and also with Odoo.sh. All right, now let's go on the modules functionality. You can also see that in the configurations we have provided credit code rules. Now what is that? See, there are some demo rules we have already configured over here. So you can see that credit hold rule. So credit hold, all new sales orders will require accounting department's approval, and here it is credit check credit. We have provided some options like credit hold, so it will always ask for CC hold and the manager's approval, sales manager's approval. Check limit, so again when this option will be ticked, then by default a credit rules, the system will gonna cross check a credit rules that is already defined on customer side, and will proceed accordingly, right? Unlimited account, system will not check any kind of rules and will give an unlimited access for that particular customer. And based on rules, so here by clicking on that, some rules will be get defined, so dynamically we can also create and check some rules over here. Now let's see another credit code rule that we have already configured, like this. So check for balance is 30 days or greater past due. If no past due, then no approval will be needed. But if there is a past due in previous 30 days, then the system will proceed for that particular sales order to CC hold stage, and at that time sales manager's approval will be needed for that, right? And here the check credit, we have configured these rules like based on rules. And if my past due sorry, not mine, if my customer's past due is greater than or equal to 30 days, then approval needed on any amount. And here there is a logical condition we will define that, right? Past due greater than or equal to 30, and if we want to also based on some logical conditions can define like past due or credit limits, we can also define accordingly, right? So let's take an example of this rule, and like this you can also configure different kinds of rule of 60 days, 90 days durations according to your need. Okay, so let's take an example for this. For this 30 days past due example, and here in customer Henry. So you can see my credit limit I had defined previously this, and here in this credit code I will define this rule for my this particular customer. Okay, check 30 days or more past due, like this. Okay, and what is here given, like remaining credit limit is 93.25. all right, now I will just duplicate this tab and want to show you something that for already previously generated sales orders for these Henry customers, uh, like this. So you can see 22nd of October, this date is there, and a remaining invoice is also there. It is not yet paid, so basically it is past due amount already displayed for this customer Henry. All right, and you can see that a remaining credit limit is also left for this particular customer. But according to this rule, we have set like when a past due amount is there, so that upcoming generation of the sales orders will be automatically proceeded to CC hold stage, even if remaining credit limit is there. Okay, so we will just make a new sales order for this Henry customer. And you can see I will take less than this amount. Okay, also take some tax like this. So you will be able to see $57.50. okay, so basically the system should allow me when I will generate a sales order for this amount for this customer, because it is lesser than this amount, right? But according to this rule configured, the system will automatically proceed this sales order into CC hold stage. Let's see that. You can see this order this order is gone in CC hold stage, right? And the sales manager's approval is needed over here, right? So like this, these all kinds of credit code rules will work. You can also use this for 60 days, 90 days durations, and accordingly dynamically as per your requirements and as per your needs, you can easily configure them, right? And one more thing, that if not past due, this condition is also there. If not past due and credit limit enforced, so here the use of this option is to compulsory check credit limit each and every time when we will enable this option. All right, so like this you can dynamically create different kinds of credit code rules and apply on your individual customers separately. So that's it about this module. Thank you so much for watching this video.